2,000 watts purpose cooker. Water. Nasa max 1.2 liters. Let's try to, boil this water using low power. About 500 plus watts lang. Using our solar setup. So, nakauna yung breaker. Currently we're hitting about 11 watts. Harvest is ganyan. And that's setting. That's it. So let's turn this on. That's roughly 110 ampere hours mixed B1 and B2. Hopefully kayanin na. Then yun ang setting natin. Okay, alright, so moment of truth. Hopefully kaya niya. Na 400 plus watts. Okay, kayanin ito ng mga wires. So load is 26%. Kasi ang cut off ko LVD nito, that's why may ilaw yan. Nakakatulong naman yung harvest natin. Buti na lang ito makulimlim ngayon. See that? Cloudy, but yeah, hopefully kaya. It is currently 11:22. And let's observe. See, kunin ko lang yung ito. Lobat na ito. Hindi pala yan. Ito yung dito, tapos yung lapis ito positive, may lumpat na white lumpat 38. Kahapon na use rice cooker at umabot ng 50. Warm. Ito 20 ito mga ito mga rin 40. About this reflective kasi yan, so other wires, so it's nothing to do with that. It's charging, sa charging naman ito yan sa harvest. This one, how about the wires, the output still good. Uy, naglobat. Lobat battery, pero kaya. What? Oh, nag-cut off ang BMS. Ayun. So so hot. 50 plus. Hindi niya kinaya, mainit yung masyado. 50 plus. And nag-restart dito. Turn off the load. Then the battery. Kasi totally nag-cut off ang BMS. Hindi niya kinaya yung load or init. Ayun, nabuhay na. Good thing I documented it. The advantage is, like, this has set up na automatic transfer switch using this high power relay. So, nag-switch ito ng power to my DU sa hotel ko. So, as you can see, taas masyado voltage, no? Taas na 238. Yung one solar gives out stable na 220 volts. This is sa DU namin, hotel ko, 238. Maabot pa yan ng 250 plus volts sa gabi. Okay, let's turn that off. Okay, nag-recover na to. It's too hot. 50 plus. Yeah, mainit na. Mainit masyado BMS. Good, may temperature protection to. Very cheap. This is very cheap, but works. I'm so happy. Sayang lobat tong ano ko. Tsaka reflective, hindi na makukuha yung ano. Ito wire. Maybe heat protection yan. Or load, overload kasi 50 amps lang to. Charge, discharge. So, umabot to ng 500 plus. Ito. So, kaya siguro nag-shutdown ng BMS. Let's turn this on again. Since alive na yung BMS, and then continue harvesting. Auto shutdown to because of fault or maybe low bat kanino, I don't know, but I think shut off na yan BMS because we saw it was off. Shut down ng system. Gladly, buti may setup kami ng automatic transfer switch using this automatic transfer sa DU without affecting what we're doing. Very good. Thank you so much to Sir Buddy Foy and Sir Yaj Toolshed or Sir Jay sa YouTube. Alright, that's it for the update. Kaya niya to, but because my BMS is limited to 50 amps, overall hindi niya kinaya kasi short up pa more than 500 watts, and then not very hot, but hindi ko na matouch halos kanina eh. So maybe overheat ang shutdown niya ang cause, hindi yung overload. And then kaya ang paganahin ng system. Alright, thank you so much. Bye bye.